Hello guys and welcome to this Freepik tutorial. Are you tired of generating a prompt in ChatGPT, copying it into an image generator, downloading that image, and then uploading it to a video generator just to make one simple clip? It is 2026 and the chaotic days of jumping between 5 different AI applications are officially over. Welcome to Freepik Spaces. This is basically like an infinite canvas that uses node-based AI workflows. Think of it as a much easier, user-friendly version of complex developer tools like Comfy UI or N8N, okay? You can basically generate text, images, and videos and automate your entire creative process in one single workspace. And the best part is gonna feature real-time multiplayer collaboration, okay? So I'm just gonna give you like a complete tutorial on how you can use this. Let's go. To get started, we're gonna log into our Freepik account and we're gonna click on the Spaces menu, okay, in the AI set menu. Alright, so we're just gonna click in Spaces here and we're gonna click on Create a New Space, okay, guys? Now this is gonna load. Okay. And now guys, we're basically looking at the infinite canvas as you can see in here. So guys, the secret to mastering spaces is actually understanding the nodes, okay? A node is simply like a digital building block that is gonna do one specific job, okay? So imagine it like a relay race. One node does its job and passes the baton, which is the data, to the next node through a visual wire, okay? And there are 5 main nodes that you need to know. You're gonna have your stock, which is gonna allow you to basically input stock footage. You have your media, okay? You have your image generator, your video generator, and your assistant, which is a built-in language model to help you brainstorm. So let's start our relay race, okay? I'm just gonna click on the add a node plus button here, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna click on text, and this is gonna allow me basically to put or to write like a description, a character description in my case, which is gonna be a 30-year-old woman with short pink hair, wearing a cyberpunk leather jacket, illuminated by neon city lights, okay? So this is gonna be my note, my character description. And of course, you can move this around, guys, whatever you want. This is like an infinite canvas, so you can just move it around. But what we're gonna do now is we need the AI to visualize this, okay? So I'm just gonna click in here, and I'm gonna click on Image Generator, okay, as you can see. So guys, watch closely. What I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna click on Connection in here on this scissors icon. I'm gonna click on Connection, which you can also access with L on your keyboard. And I'm just gonna go to my text node, and I'm gonna try to drag a wire to the input of the text of the image generator. What this is gonna do is this is gonna physically tell the image node to use our text as the prompt, basically. And now inside this image node, we can select your preferred AI model, such as, not a banana or whatever. I'm just gonna go for auto in this case. So yeah, we're just gonna generate this. Okay, I'm gonna click on run. And of course, this could generate like a bunch of images for you. However, because this is gonna run, this is gonna take credits. I'm not gonna do it now. But yeah, this is gonna require you some credits. Now, normally you can generate one cool image, but if you want to put this exact character inside a futuristic coffee, for example, the AI would generate like a completely different person each time, okay? But here's how you can solve this. We can basically add like an assistant node in here, okay, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna connect the output of this, thing to this assistant in here, okay? And that's gonna take, the image that I get as an output here as an input in the assistant. So I'm just gonna click on the assistant, and I'm gonna give this a prompt, which is gonna be well, this one basically, okay? I'm just asking it to take this image and put this character into a futuristic coffee shop looking out of the window, okay? And now we're basically gonna connect, excuse me for a second, we're gonna connect this assistant node to basically a second image generation node, okay? So as you can see in here, we have our second image generation code, and we're gonna put it like so. Okay, so this is just a matter of connecting the nodes. And guys, to ensure perfect facial consistency, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag even, one more node in here, excuse me, to the image generator, okay? So from the first image generator to the second, and that's gonna make it even more strong. So, that's pretty much it, okay? This is how you can create like a basic workflow. As you can see, it looks very similar to Comfy UI. It takes inputs and outputs and all of that, and you can kind of have references, okay? So this is an example of a futuristic or simple, like pretty cool workflow, okay? But you can create literally infinite, okay? So yeah, just give them a go and let us know what you think about this. And once you want to run this workflow, you can just click on this play icon, and that's gonna generate whatever you're trying to generate, okay? So that's perfect. So yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.